Guys, girl, today we're gonna do some Pixel Gun 3D, looking at all the camping spots in the campaign, okay, and I'm gonna show you where the coins and gems are and all the maps so well in map 1. Okay, let's get to work! Okay, so how did I get here? I was diamond once, but the update sold my thing, so now I'm on this. I don't know why I got this armor on right now. Stupid. Okay. Just campaign. Yeah. No cookies. Okay, we're gonna look at all camp spots, pick world. Let's go this. Oh, Venus, you dropped my dingus. Okay. I already know where the camping is. By the way. Okay, the camping spots, Pixel Gun 3D, right on the house, right over there. There's a thing in there. You go on these things, you go on that wooden thing. You need a jet for all of them. Go on the trees. Why the heck does that tree have no tree? I don't need this camping spot right here. And there's a camping spot on top of there. And if you go in here, and just get out of my way, zombie. Go in here, just jump. What? Didn't work. Well, it's on top of there is where you get the gem. But that's only for gem. Well, the gem in this one is all the way in there. Oh, you probably know. And there's a camping spot right here where you don't need jet to get up. You could just jump. And then just like quick scope. Okay, yeah, let's do it. Whoa! How did I get here? The church. Get off, Miss Skeletons. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay, so there's a camping spot on every tree. Right there. There's a grave right there. Oh no, the zombies came out. There's right here. There's a camping spot on these branches. And a boom. Oh, okay. How did I get here? Camping spot right here. Camping spot on there. Camping spot on this, which I already know. Camping spot on this, and there's one right here, and yeah, and there's those things. Okay, I'll show you where to get the coin gem. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get the coin. Oh yeah, I never got the gem this map, so gonna get the gem right now. But I already collected it, so I'm showing you guys. The gem is right here, but I already collected it, so it's dead. Okay, the coin, the boobity bop coin, somewhere over here. What's that? The papa! Ouch! That hurt! Wait, I'm gonna teleport in 3, 2, 1. Whoa! How did I get here? Okay, let's do this. Well, there's no camping spots in this map, but I'll show you where the coin is. The coin in this map is just like. The coin in this map, kill all these zombies first because they're so annoying. The gem is behind the skeleton, but what in the world? The skeleton has lungs. Why is it still ticking and talking when it's a skeleton? It's supposed to be like a zombie or human, not a skeleton. How can a skeleton be alive? That's only a zombie skeleton. No, get out of here, nurse. I don't need your help. Okay, get out. Okay, so, do that. Show you where the coin is. The coin is in here. Now skeleton again. Okay, get out of my office, guys. Guys and girls, get out of my office. I got a machine gun. I got a machine gun. Oh! Okay. Oh, what? Okay. Look at the skeleton for a sec. What do I have to operate? Gotta. Oh! What? In the what?
Check him out.
What is this?
With the card.
Oh, okay, yeah, so, yeah, okay, let's do 3, 2, the coin's right here, the gem's right there, I'm ready over here where I could snipe because I keep on teleporting, and I was zombified, so, let's go on the other map, let's go down into business. Yeah. Okay, let's go into this map. Okay, let's do this. Okay. So,
Yeah.
the coin is right here. Oh no,
With the plane.
yeah, the coin is right there.
Don't worry.
I'm gonna go over here, show you where the gem is.
So,
The gem is over there. There's camping spots right there,
So she took
in there. There's cafeteria. There's nothing in here, only useful stuff.
She's so worried. She's so nervous.
Okay, let's do this. Yeah.
Yeah. So. And now she's making sure everything's okay in her room. So. Yeah, it's already turned. Yeah. So I told her, if you lose it, it's not my fault, it's your fault. So.
Okay,
Well, yeah.
camping spot is right over here. There's a camping spot on this. This thing.
Yeah.
This thing. Oh, what's
Yeah,
the
well,
corner?
that's just it.
Whoa. Okay, see the next map. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, where did I? Oh, what? Area 52. I'm not supposed to be here. I'm grabbing my alien gun.
She says that she knows the one there. So
Need to use the bathroom. Need to use the bathroom.
I think so.
Oh.
But
Oh.
anyway.
Oh. Wow.
Oh,
Okay.
gosh.
Wash my hands.
Okay, bye. Bye. Good night.
Limited Anderson, yeah. Hey, so the gem in this map is right on top of here. There's camping spot right there. There's camping spot right there. Now I gotta tell you where the coin is. The coin is this map. Is easy to find. It's real. It's what? Okay, stop it. The coin in this map is like it's over here somewhere, but I need to kill all the enemies. Stop it! The coin in this map is over here, okay? I don't want to do anything else, but if you haven't seen this room, I'm showing it to you. Wait, I don't... Okay. Okay, yeah, camping spots are done. Let me just show you about the like, boss. I haven't seen a boss in a while. Whoa! Whoa! Hello, mister. How are you doing today? Oh, hey, mister, you have a big brain, mister. What kind of gun is that? Holy shoot, we got a different gun. Get the gun. I have a gun. Stupid poop. I have a gun. There, I got your gun, stupid gun. Okay, that is...
What kind of chips do you want? No.
Okay, that is it for today. Dingus, you touched my dingus. Oh, motherfucker. Okay, that is it for today. See you in the next video. Like, subscribe. I don't know where the gems are in the forest or this high school. I'm making a part 2. And I'll see you in the next video. I need like about 10 likes to make a new one. Okay? 10 likes. If I have 1 dislike, I'm not making another one. Okay? I'm just not okay. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Oh, bye.